blue skies and not a cloud inside.
Merry Christmas!
You are the brightest sunrise. You fill my days with light. Open your eyes, step into the sun. Open your eyes, 'cause we've only just begun.
Asia's General Manager, Mr. Kent Derricott.
It's a beautiful world.
I want you to know how important Kayani Philippines is to the Kayani family.
It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world.
Put on your red face.
Here in Kayani, we have hope and we have a chance to retire not just healthy, but wealthy.
Our goal po talaga is mag number 1, pero mangyayari lang po yan kung lahat po tayo ay magkakasundo-sundo.
Forget what is the past and let God concern Himself with the future.
It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world.
Save the Children is an NGO here in the Philippines that works exclusively with Filipino communities.
Put on your red face.
Live and give lives of hope.
Maligayang Pasko at Manigo Bago Taon!